Hi, this is how you look at my feedback on your essay, rough draft, or any assignment that you submit as a PDF that I can make comments on. So if you're on my homepage, you want to go to Grades. And once you're on Grades, you'll see a list of all the assignments that you've done work for. This is my sample student. And you want to find the assignment that I've made some feedback on. So you can see if I've made feedback on your assignment, if there's a little checkbox here. So because this is one of the last assignments that we did, it's going to be down here at the bottom. And the assignment that I made feedback on that I want you to look at is the rough draft Crucible essay turn in here. So you would click on the name of that assignment, and this is what you see. What you're going to do now is you're going to come over here next to where you have the PDF of the version that you turn in. You're going to click on these words, view feedback, and it says preview your submission and view teacher feedback if available. So I'm going to click on view feedback, and then it's going to show you a small version of your essay. So each little comment I made is off here on the right, and if you click on, or if you hover over one of the things that I put on, whether it's a little bubble or it's something highlighted, it'll show you a little dotted line to my comment. So here it says missing header, and the header is going to have on it, I can actually make that bigger, the name, the date, the block, and teacher. So that's what you're missing in the header if this was your paper. Also, I put up here double space. This isn't double space. So if you see that on yours, that means you need a double space. And these are all fake comments, but I just wanted you to have an idea. Here, I said you need to add whether or not his use of power was effective. So these are sort of common comments. I've got a little highlight there, and it gives you a little dotted line down to this response. Your citation also needs the author's last name. And then another highlight here. Let's pretend that this quote doesn't go with the power, so I'm sort of suggesting that you choose another quote. And if you see something crossed out like that, that basically means delete this. So that's how you view my feedback. What I would do is I would check this out and maybe have side by side on your screen my comments here and then your Google Doc of your rough draft, and then you can look back and forth and make the comments, or have two tabs open and click back and forth between the tabs to see what I suggest that you change. Another way that you can check my feedback is, supposedly you get an email from me through Canvas. It says an email from Canvas, and in that email are the words feedback somewhere. If you click on those words feedback, supposedly it takes you to this screen so you can see my comments. I hope that's helpful for you.